everyone, I'm Dave. Now I'm at Pattaya. Today I'm going to Ocean Marina Yacht Club. We have a yacht trip with friends, so check it out. Yacht. Now I'm on a yacht, the boat. We're gonna go 3 islands today: Koh Pi, Koh Rin, and Koh Ped. And here with my friend Jane, Ji, Ong, and Nisha, and with Kunat. Yes. So we're gonna show you that yacht trip, how beautiful the beach are. So the package 2,900 includes soft drink and food. The price is very valuable.
Good morning. Good morning. My name is Tony, everybody. My name is Tony. I will be your guide for today. Okay, this is Nikita. Nikita, he's a professional photographer. Coffee and tea on the side of the boat is all free. Okay, it's free and it's self-service. Okay.
You see that it's very, very beautiful and clean beach. The water is very clear. Lunchtime. In 10 minutes we are going to another island called Koh Rin, which is I heard that it's very clear.
On the way back, everybody, we have one more activity. We have one more activity for everybody. So we will have a dancing competition upstairs. We will have a dancing competition upstairs against our boat.
So now go back to the room. A shower. I'm in the room already, room number 411 and 410, which is room suite that connecting room number 410 and 411. This room is the biggest. First, when you open the door, you will see a living room with a separate bathroom for friend or group of family. And this one is a dining table, the couch and television, and the pool view as well downstairs. And this is our first room, king bed with work desk and sea view as well. And the bed king size with couch, and you see a panorama view in this room. Have a park and yacht view with sea as well. So this room very big. I think comfortable for a big family or group of friends. Good morning everyone. Now I am going to have a breakfast. This is noodle station, pork noodle. เอาเกาเหลาหมูอย่างเดียวที่นี่ Pork noodle is super tasty. Not Jen, no? I'm waiting my friends to go to swimming pool. We are going to have lunch by the sea.สั่งเลยค่ะวันนี้เอาแก้ววายใช้โลเคชั่นไปให้แบบเชียวพอดีคือก้างน้อยSmell of passion fruit fresh การทำดีสกุลใช่ค่ะอร่อยปลาสดอร่อยทุกอย่างน้ำจิ้มแจ่วแซ่บเลยออกเลย everyone, now we just finished a meal. So how is the trip? How was the trip?
Was very nice, and the Koh Pi is very cool, and the beach was very clear. The water is very nice. We can swim.
The service on the yacht is nice.
I recommend any person who want to try the yacht. This is a good place to try.
For me, like 30 years, I just got to know this. So it's very cool. You have to come.
Awesome, man!
So I am going to ending this trip with a very nice set meal on the boat. So we're gonna show you a food and the view here. Chef Niwat cooking for us grilled barbecue and seafood with a sweet corn. Ui! Hoi lon bin! We are about to leaving from the pier. Zoom อันนี้ได้ไหม Start with lobster. Huge. The lobster is fresh. I'm okay with the dinner, and then you just let the ship pass one round and then come back to the hotel and chillaxing. But for those who like the natural one, the Koh Island, right? So you can pick the first package that I and my friend go together, 3 island. Eat. I hope you guys like the video and don't forget to click like and subscribe. So now I'm at Asia Pattaya. The reason why I pick Asia Pattaya because the view. And this room type is jacuzzi view. Let me show you. Room number 115. Have a balcony with jacuzzi here. So let's see the bedroom. Sofa area. This is a dining table area. And television. The bed, king size. And they had a handlebar every place next to the bed, even inside the bathroom. So now I'm going to have breakfast here at Asian Hotel. Let's see. Breakfast เหรอครับปิดแล้วค่ะแล้วราคา10 โมงเอาหรอนึกว่า10 ครึ่ง We woke up so late. So everyone Asia Hotel Pattaya is they have a very old and classic decoration. This is the very first hotel in Pattaya. They opened since 1974, and they have many activities for you. The racket for tennis club, golf club, snooker activity, big swimming pool. Yeah, so you can feel the old style here, but the hotel is big and clean. Let's check it out, jacuzzi. Yeah. Everyone, we are going to Clifftop Seafood Pavilion. It's a restaurant that have a maybe medium top hill and you can see a sea view, but the view is very good. นี่คือคนมาจากตรงนั้นได้ด้วยมั้งเด็กไม่แน่ใจนะแต่ยาวมากเลยทางลงทะเลอะตรงไหนนี้ดีกว่าไหม
ครับจะดูใหญ่หน่อยแต่ว่ามีปลาเป็นตัวนะครับแต่ว่าอันนี้มีน้ำเปรี้ยวหวานละอันนี้เราจะมีชื่อและมีกรอบ
We order a lot because we didn't have lunch. Yes, we mix order with international food and Thai food. First one is deep fried squid with red wine sauce, deep fried dumpling, baby clam baked with garlic and butter, pork red curry พะแนงหมู Next, roasted pork with spicy sauce served with fresh cucumber. I think this place cooked a bit sweet, but okay. One more thing I love. My Thai they serving the whole pineapple. Wow, so nice. Crispy. Good to see you. Everyone, now the sun is going down, so I decide to change my table. We had a great time here because everything is good, service and the view of beach, and of course staff is very friendly and the Thai food is so good. The price is reasonable. So see you next time. If you like our video, please click subscribe and like.